The humid Jamaican air hung thick and sweet with the scent of mangoes as Cassie, her afro curls bouncing, stared up at the impossibly bright stars. Back home, in the quiet hills of Portland, far from the Kingston lights, the Milky Way was a shimmering river. Cassie wasn't just looking, she was calculating. At 18, she'd just aced her physics exams, her mind a whirlwind of equations and gravitational forces. While her friends dreamed of dance hall fame, Cassie dreamed of the cosmos. She remembered the day she'd seen the picture of Mae Jemison, the first African-American woman in space. That picture, tacked to her bedroom wall, was more than inspiration. It was a promise. A promise that a girl from Jamaica, with her wild curls and passion for the unknown, could touch the stars. Her grandmother, Nana Rose, a woman as weathered and strong as the Jamaican cliffs, would chuckle. "Gal, you had day in a space. Come back down to earth and peel these mangoes." But Nana Rose's eyes held a quiet pride. She'd seen Cassie's dedication, the way she devoured textbooks by lamplight, the way she built rockets out of cardboard boxes and coconut shells. Years of scholarships and tireless work later, Cassie stood on the launch pad in Florida. The ground vibrated beneath her feet. Strapped into her spacesuit, she took a deep breath, the scent of citrus and salt tangibly absent. Her mind raced back to Portland, to Nana Rose's warm hands and the endless Jamaican sky. She remembered the burning desire to reach beyond the familiar, to unravel the secrets of the universe. "This is for Jamaica," she whispered into her comms. "This is for every girl who dreams bigger than her circumstances." The countdown reached 0. A roar ripped through the air, and Cassie was thrown back against her seat. As the rocket ascended, piercing through the atmosphere, Cassie looked back at the swirling blues and greens of Earth. Jamaica, her vibrant homeland, was just a small island now, a testament to where she came from. And as she looked forward, into the inky blackness dotted with a million shimmering possibilities, Cassie knew she was finally home. She was no longer just Cassie from Portland, Jamaica. She was Cassie, the astronaut, a star in her own right.